MIRURUNGANO iria ikoretwo igitabanio ni arutani a thukuru cia junior secondary aria makoretwo magithomithia ta INTERNS yukite riri kiama kia ARUTANI KNUT kiambiriirie kigomano kiao kia o mwaka kia amemba bururi-ini muoroto ari kwaririria mateta ma arutani. Mwandiki munene wa kiama giki Collins Oyu augite kiama kia KNUT nikio gifatie gutongoria miario na TSC ikoni arutani aya, akiuga kuri gikundi kia andu maracogera arutani aya guthie mirurungano-ini niguo megune.
It is wrong to incite or take advantage of the ignorance of that young teacher who is not even permanently employed, and then you take him out there to go and demonstrate. Demonstrate for what? Yet you are there to advocate for the rights of these teachers. We are saying it is Kenya National Union of Teachers as a union that should advocate for these teachers who are supposed to be employed on permanent and pensionable terms.
Oyu augite girimiti ya arutani aya na TSC yari ya ihinda ria mwaka umwe na uguo matifatie gukugerio wara ta uria TSC irenda kwaga kurora mateta ma kweruhia kandarathi ciao.
We sat with Teachers Service Commission and we said, can we sign a memorandum, an MOU, to say yes, they have been accepted as interns. How long? And our proposal is 1 year. When Nancy Macharia, the CEO Teacher Service Commission, comes again and says that the contracts might be renewed, what are you trying to say?
Oyu ekwaragia hindi ya kuhingura mushamanio wa arutani atongoria a kiama giki kuria maundu ngurani maririirio ari hamwe na bara cia kimicii na guthutukanio kwa arutani atumia wira-ini.
Umuthe twina atongoria kana andu mena ugi muingi muno undu wigi harassment na violence at the place of work. Mau ni maundu mekikaga ona athuri ni mahamagwo ona atumia ni mahamagwo.
Arutani aya ni magire na ihinda ria guthomithio uria mangigacirithia wigiririki wao hari kugitira ciana kumana na bara cia kimicii, unduire muhituke ni mahinda hamwe na airitu anini a thukuru kuohanda cia tene na uria mangihota gukurana murutwo uragerera ihinda iritu.
Nitumenyaga mwana kuringana na ukona mwana ni acenjia behavior, mwana urathaka ni atiga guthaka, mwana ni aratira maita maingi cukuru, mwana ucio ndene na gikeno. Nitugiaga na mwarimu etagwo mwarimu wa guiding and counseling.
Twiragwo ati agikorwo ndikwenda kumenyera kuraiga karira mucii munari ndiurie mwarimu tondu ciana ithia akauga baba ni arahurire mami hwae turaraire nja tondu mami kumenya ati makuhe mwarimu uhoro ucio. Koguo tukona atiriri ciana citu ri igithie ithomithio ni arutani ati ureka ri ungiona mundu angigwika uguo menye ni uru ukotwire.
Kigomano giki kia KNUT kirathie na mbere nginyagia tariki 6 mweri uyu. Handũ-inĩ ha KAMITII TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.